Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. This is going to be a short little tech video review on the new glorious Model O gaming mouse. Now I did purchase this, I did have this about 6 days ago, and I figured it's time to do a little review and what I think about this glorious gaming mouse Model O. 67 grams. Light. Now this is actually the first mouse I actually ever tried as the lightest performance gaming mouse. Now, before I get depth into it, I have to just say one thing about this mouse. Wow. Going from a Razer Mamba Tournament Edition mouse to the Glorious is a big difference. Now, has it improved my gaming in Fortnite, Apex, Johnny? Yes, a little bit. I ain't no Shroud, I ain't no Tfue, but I have noticed my aiming is a little improved since I'm moving the mouse faster, and also I'm using the Razer Bungee. Now, I was going to get the Glorious Bungee, but it was sold out at the time, and I kind of didn't like the black and silver with it. I like the Razer, it was just all black and slick, so I was like, I'm getting that for 19 bucks. Now, you can buy the Glorious Bungee on the website, but I went with the Razer. So, I still like Razer products. I don't have nothing against Razer. I just wanted to try this mouse out and do a little review. First I did an unboxing, then I did a review on it, and I'm 6 days now and I'm liking the mouse. I love the mouse. It is awesome. Fortnite, yes, I move around a lot faster with the mouse. 67 grams, that's hecka light. Now they do have the final mouse, and I know that's like 150 and stuff, but this is only $50 plus sales tax, so I paid about $55 plus shipping. So it was about that price, around there. I got it between 4 to 5 business days. I actually got it a day early, so I was excited to open it, do a video on it. So yeah. Now the first thing I did like about this gaming mouse wasn't the gaming mouse first. It was actually the packaging. The packaging in the box is really detailed. Like, they just really put a lot of time into it. They even put, you know, they put all this detail in it and stuff. And you just pop it up and bam, it's right there. It's just basic and simple. So anyways guys, so the glorious gaming mouse Model O. Now they do have a smaller one. It's a Model O and it's a little smaller than this mouse. Now I did not get it because I was like, okay, this is small enough. The mouse actually that I have is actually pretty smaller than when I was using my Razer. After a while, I did get used to it after a few days, and I started adjusting to it really fast. And now I don't think I can go back. I do like the honeycomb and the holes and stuff in it, and it feels a lot lighter when you're moving the mouse. The Bungee helps out a lot, so it doesn't get snagged on the desk, so that's a big plus right there. I know a lot of professional gamers use this, so yeah, and it does help, so it doesn't get snagged on the desk, like I said, and you don't have that, you know, so you're not lag time. So the front of the mouse is actually 61 millimeters, and the bottom is 66 millimeters, and the width of the mouse from the middle is 59 millimeters. So it's a pretty good size mouse. Now my hands are a little bigger, so I was kind of iffy about the size, but I adjusted to it super fast, and like I said, I don't think I'll go back. I will actually gonna get the Model O white. Not the gloss. I'm gonna get the matte white. So I'm gonna be doing that, doing an unboxing on that, because I think the white looks really nice. So I'll have the white and the black. Why not? I'll have both. So now the sensor is a 3360 sensor. It's great. It's fast. It responds excellent on this gaming mouse. Now I've seen tons of videos, and actually people were talking about, is this great for Fortnite? Yes, it is. I agree. Have my aiming improved? Yes, like I said, it has a bit. I ain't no Shroud, but that's okay. I don't have a lot of time in the day to play Fortnite 8 hours a day or CSGO. But I'm just a casual gamer, and I have seen improvement in my aiming. Now this is mechanical related for 20 million clicks. I mean, 20 million clicks. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot of clicking. And but by then you'll probably be upgrading and getting something, you know, they'll make something even better. Now the cord on the mouse, it was kind of weird because I didn't think it would fit in my Razer Bungee. My Razer Bungee is a little smaller. You do have to kind of cram it in there and stuff, but it fits, it works. That's why the Glorious gaming Bungee is meant for the Glorious Model O. But I got the Razer to fit, so if you guys are asking me about that, don't worry. The Razer is perfect. It is a little thicker, like I said. It's kind of like a shoelace material, so it's super light. It feels like I'm actually wireless. It actually feels like I'm wireless. It doesn't even feel like I have a wire on this gaming mouse. Now the number of buttons are actually 6. So you got your 2 side buttons, you got your fronts. You got your DPI right in the middle. Now at first I was wondering if I was going to hit the DPI button on the mouse, but no, I didn't. It wasn't in the way. It was pretty small enough where I didn't have to actually hit it and mess up my DPI. Now you can hit the DPI right here. Now this is actually 800, and I have it set 700, 600, and back to 800. You can actually select in the software. By the way, there's software on this. You could check which one do you want, and you could set it. So if you want 3 DPIs, you could set all of them the way you want. The software is very easy to use, very simple. I love the software. It's not complicated and confusing like some softwares and programs. It's easy to download from the website. Takes a few minutes and bam, you're ready to go. Like, it's super flexible. It feels like it's actually wireless. So I was actually pretty shocked when I was using this gaming mouse. So if you guys want to get it, I'll put down the description below the website. I will not put the Amazon because people are reselling it for more. So I'll just put down the website down below and you guys could go check it out. And it comes with G skates. Premium mouse feet G skates. Now I never heard of this, and when I got the mouse, it super glides. I'm talking like it just glides across my mouse pad. Now the mouse pad I am using, if you guys want to know, it's a Cool Master MP510 extra large gaming mouse. Sorry, I had to read that. Now I did purchase this for over like $30, so if you guys want to check it out, I did do a video below. I'll put down my tech test down below so you guys can go through the whole playlist. I do all kinds of unboxings on stuff, but the mouse pad is great. It does get dirty, like you know how you get scuffs from basically your arms and it turns white and stuff. Just grab a wet paper towel, not a paper towel. Sorry, because if you grab a wet paper towel, you're gonna get the fabric on there. Grab a wet towel and just wash it, rub it on there, and it comes right off. It comes clean again. The mouse pad's actually been holding me up really good for the last 6 months. So enough about that. We're mostly talking about the Glorious Gaming Mouse Model O. This is awesome mouse. I love it. And I was really skeptical about the buttons on the side because honestly, my Razer has fatter buttons on the side. So I was really little iffy about that. And it's all plastic. So I was like, okay, am I not going to have any grips or anything? No, nothing. And this mouse is actually just perfect. I did adjust to the sides buttons, and now it's been 6 days and I'm used to it. Now, if people do want rubber on the sides, and I figured you have rubber on the sides, but after a while the rubber and the adhesive starts wearing off and it's peeling, and eventually it looks like this. And you starts doing this. This is actually my Razer. So going from this is a palm grip, and this is more like a claw grip. I adjusted to it super fast, and I'm not used to gaming mouses like this. So if you guys are iffy about it, I recommend it. And if you don't like it, it's only $50. Honestly, that's not a bad deal. Like $50 to pay a $150 gaming mouse. That's why I'm gonna buy the white. So I have the white and black, and I think the white would actually look good on my desk setup, and it would pop out a lot more. And then I could just switch whenever I want. So the G skates are really cool. Super glide, super smooth. It's like butter, dude. It's like butter, like butter. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, you could take them off and you could replace them and buy new G skates. I mean, come on, man. I don't know any other gaming mouse that does that. Now, I know the new Razer Viper, I think, came out, and people are talking about it, but I heard it's not super glidey as the game modeling go. I'm not going to get it and do a review on it. I should, but it's like $80, so maybe. But anyways, you can replace that. I think that's awesome. Now the LED colors are amazing on this mouse. Every single, it lights up perfectly. It's not super bright. It's not like blaring in my eyes, because I thought since there's holes in it, really distracting. No, it's not. It's actually got 16.8 million colors, RGB 8 effects. So it does have 8 effects on it. If you guys want to check it out, it has, so it does have the glorious mode, the seamless breathing RGB, the single color, the breathing single color, and then the tail, the rave, the wave, or you can have the LED off. And actually, I forgot to do a shot of the gaming mouse of what you could change. You guys might want to see that. All right. So that is the glorious mode right there. It just moves nice and free through the waves. Looks really nice. This is actually my favorite one I'm using right now, and I like it. So you do have the seamless breathing RGB, and basically goes through the different colors of the RGB. That's actually pretty nice. I like that one too. Then there's breathing. Now you can select which colors you want. You can select this stuff, adjust the speed, but I like this one too. That one's actually pretty dope. The green's actually pretty nice, the purple. And then you got single color. I kind of don't like that one because it's just like a single color. So, and see, it honestly doesn't look super bright. It actually looks really good for the RGB. And then you got a breathing single color, so it breathes in, breathes out, like that. You could adjust the speed. That's why it's kind of fast. There's one little LED right there shining through. The camera's actually picking it up, so don't mind it. I can't see it, but the camera's picking it up. I actually don't like that one. Tail. I'm okay with tail. Tail's cool. It kind of goes like that. So that's kind of cool. I like that one. Now there is one, the rave. Now this is freaking awesome. So if you're like having a freaking RGB going on in your desk setup and you want to do a video, this is actually the gaming mouse. So that's pretty neat. Now the one I wasn't too fond about was the wave. And the reason is because it feels like it's kind of stumbles. Because I figure a wave would be like, you know, like smooth, like butter. But that's where the glorious mode comes in. And it just perfectly. I mean, honestly, it's actually, if I turn the light off, it's actually nicer. So I did a little video on that because I know you guys are going to want to see that. Now, like I said, the software is pretty easy to use. There's not rocket science just to figure it out. So now this does take a USB port. You just put it in. Windows 7 compatible. Of course, I got Windows 10. And it comes with the 2-year warranty. Now, I heard Razer Viper comes with the 2-year warranty, and people were like, oh, you know, and they're like, what about the new glorious model? Oh, it says right there, 2-year warranty. So if anything happens to the mouse in 2 years, you could take it back and get a new one. It's a 2-year warranty. I feel like glorious is coming up. Now they do make good mouse pads too, and I did have a white one, but it was a little smaller. Now they do have a bigger one. It's like the one that actually Tifo uses. It's the size of my gaming mouse I'm using now. It's actually super big. It might be a little too big. So the one I'm using is just right. Maybe I'll upgrade later. there is another mouse pad I want to do a review on, but pretty much I just want to get down to the nitty gritty on this mouse and just tell you about it, give you a little review in depth. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Please subscribe to the channel and let's get the 4K. And also, I do stream on YouTube. Just on YouTube. I do have a Twitch, but I'm not going to put it up because I don't even stream on Twitch. I just do YouTube for fun. And I will do, as some of you subscribers know, I do gives away gifts and stuff. I don't do battle passes because I don't think I can, because I'm on PC. I try to, but I will do giveaway and stuff. Don't ask me, I'll surprise you and you'll get one. And anyway, guys, oh yeah, and check out my friend Ricky Arnold, please. I shouted out him again. I'm gonna shout him out again, and he's gonna get another shout out. He hit over 3,000. Congratulations, Ricky. I know he's gonna watch this video. One more update. Hopefully this time, as you watch my previous video, I did a view shot of my setup behind me. I might be getting my new 4K camera real soon. I don't know yet. It's up in the air, but it's a possibility I might get it soon. So, alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. If you want to check out any of my tech videos, I'll put down the playlists down below. My Twitter, social media, everything, and Ricky Arnold's YouTube channel. Go check him out. And tell him I sent you. Tell him that Josh Tech Gamer sent me. I'm here to watch your videos and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll check you guys later. I'm going to play some Fortnite with Ricky. Is he even on? He doesn't even want to play Fortnite. He wants to play CSGO. So, yeah, he's a YouTuber. Go check him out. Get him 4,000 subs. I give him another shout out because he's a good friend of mine. He's really awesome. We play games together and stuff. He also does tech live streamings. Anyways, man, that's what's up. He's a nice man. That's what's up. He's messaging me right now on Steam.